Hello friends, I am very grateful for your time. I am at your service with another educational video on CATIA software. In this video, we discuss making a template in the drafting environment of CATIA. We have a part shaped like this, which consists of three bodies. Our task in the drafting section of CATIA is to create a template, iti, which is quite common and essentially serves as the identity of our drawings, indicating who designed it, who approved it, its serial number, and what material it is made of. I will open a tree in the CATIA software, select the paper size like A4, and create a blank sheet. Then I'm going to retrieve a view and also consider a section for the part, placing it in this box. What genre will it be in a series? And now, things like this, what do? I open a tree in the CATIA software, select the paper size. For example, I want to create a blank paper. What do I do now? I also call up a view. I also consider a section. I also consider the piece by Weber, and I place it in this box. This view is from the warp. To cut, I use the view command offset section view, and from this upper part, so that these cuts and holes also fall, I draw my line from top to bottom. At the end, I double click. Now I move the view to the left or right, and this becomes the cut view. What do we want to do now? We want to go to the table and create a template. Look, CATIA itself has a series of tables by default. That is, from the Edit Sheet section, Background, and Draft Toolbar, I can use the Freeman title block command to create the table I want. From this section, there are limited templates that you can choose and apply. Now, there are some abayas, like the font, which is not very interesting. The size is too big, and some of them do not have the parameters that I want to put in my role. I want to put a logo at all, the logo of the company I am working for, and I am preparing a plan, but it does not have the viewer. You have the ability to edit directly. Here you can edit them, change their font, put your favorite font, and you can make changes like this. Keep in mind that this table is in the form of lines and points, and these are embedded. It's not something very special or complicated. You can create any shape and form you want, any template you like. Here with profiles and tools like this, you can do the networking for yourself. For example, I'll create a box here for the company logo, resize it freely, modify as needed. Exit this section. Now, make the template permanent. Customized it, keep it for all drawings. Then, views are unnecessary. Delete views, create empty table. Prepared empty table in my style. Go to File section, save, name it as desired. Prepared two templates, A4, A3, do the same, save it. Save it, move to drafting. With a draft, delete table from background. Delete existing table, now none. Add table back, return to working view, use created template. I've prepared an empty table in the style I liked. Now I go to the File section, save it, and in the desired path, I can name it whatever I want. I've prepared two templates, one for A4 and one for A3 paper. Save. You can do the same and save it. Now let's save it and move on to the drafting. Let's say I have a draft here and I want to delete this table. From the background section, I delete the existing table. And now there's no table left. Now I want to add the table back, so I return to the working view and want to insert the template I created here. I want to add to it. So how do we do it? From the File section, go to Page Setup and then insert Background View. To do this, you click on the update and the paper. Now you select the template that gives us the paper size you had. I just select it and hit Insert, and the template is added instantly. This means that you only need to spend time once to create the template you want. And for the rest of your files, you can easily use it. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Wherever you are, stay well and healthy. Take care.